19.17% from last year, and new contracts are off 9.4% from last year this same time as inventory is slowly climbing. It's Friday, May 10th, 2024. Happy Mother's Day weekend to all moms everywhere. Lots to see and do this weekend. Celebrate with mom by taking her to the free Crofton Chocolate Festival, the Mother's Day Boozy Book Fair in Odenton, or have mom de-stress and Deale with a guided meditation in a yurt. Check out more events on our events calendar at www.kineticrealtyinc.com. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. St. Mary's, Allegheny, and Garrett counties saw prices lower this past week than last year this same time. Meanwhile, more homes are coming soon, pushing up to 1,303. New inventory rose by 10% this past week to 1,865 homes for sale. New contracts were up 5.7% week over week to 1,785 under contract in 8 median days. As more inventory comes to the market, buyers will have more homes to see as sellers compete for their interest. We will likely see some softening in slower markets with this coming trend. Stay tuned. Rentals available dropped this week to $1,969 with a median rental price up to $2,300 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, May 10th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.